Hi guys, that's a very quick unboxing of the Ring Spotlight Cam battery. This part is this comes as a part of the job site security kit that Ring are selling. Uh, this is a standalone. This is a standalone device by its definition. There is no hub required. It can work standalone. So let's do a quick unboxing. Let's do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. It doesn't come this way in the mail. It comes in a separate package by your local delivery, either FedEx, UPS, or USPS. But it comes in a nice inconspicuous package. So you have this, have the main body. We'll talk more about that. Mounting hardware. So this is the mounting. Yep, this is an empty shell. Mounting and installation hardware. What else? So this is the installation bracket. You can fix that on any like post or on a tree or anything that you think that this can hold on to. So what you need is a little screwdriver that's provided here. Open this one up. Once you install the bracket, you have to open this one up, push this inside. I need to open it more. Push this inside, it clicks and it locks into that pivot area. It locks into that pivot area and that's it. So you see right here it has a little bit of Loctite. Has a little bit of Loctite on the threads. Yeah, the blue thing over there. So this goes inside like this. It locks into place. And then you tighten this. It's a pretty tight fit. And once you tighten it, the Torx screw, it's kind of serving its purpose as a security screw, maybe, so nobody steals your camera. Of course, you have to exert some kind of diligence when you're choosing the spot for it. You need a spot that's also secure but also out of reach. It is a very good build device. I would say a very good build device, very sturdy. I have other devices from this series, but I really like this. So you unlock this way, and that's your battery. Comes with a protective insulator right here, just so it doesn't engage during transportation. And you can also add this to your Ring app family. Now let me talk about more about this. Although Ring are selling this as a standalone item, and it can be successfully used as a standalone item. You can use it and you you can use it unregistered. First of all, unregistered means without the pro subscription, which I should have talked more about it. It makes every sense to have this on your job website, or the biggest advantage of this is to protect your equipment, whether you're putting this equipment on a job site or in some other place. That's what the designers of this product are doing. They thought about your equipment and how to protect it, regardless where you place it. You can place this with a couple of screws. You can place this on, let's say, on your job site, on somewhere on your job site, or you can place this in your service van, and this would work. This would work as pretty much an alarm system for your service van. You can define zones, you can define motion detection, or you can use it outside. You can use it outside on your driveway, or in an area where you park your service van, or an area that you work on. It uses the PIR, passive infrared sensor here. That is actually the motion detection unit, and this works in about 30 feet. So within 30 feet, it is very sensitive. You can define different zones. So you have motion detection in two ways. First of all, you have motion detection through the camera. It's 140 degrees horizontal and 78 degrees vertical. And if you define or use the generic defined zones, you can change those. So you can use motion detection from the camera combined with motion detection from the PIR sensor. So this won't work behind any glass. So you cannot mount this behind the glass and expect the PIR sensor to work. Only the camera would work. So normally you put this outside. You can use it in your service van. Like if somebody opens your service van, then it would activate. There is a myriad of functions that you can fine tune to make this work. Like for example, you can set up a siren. You can set up a timeout of lights. Everything is customizable on this. The best thing about it, and the best thing I like about it, that it can be used with or without hub. I would definitely buy the hub because it's totally worth every penny. And the subscription for this, the subscription is just for this works with Ring Protect Pro, and the subscription right now is $20 per month, $200 per year. And you don't need with the subscription you don't need actual internet. Ring handles all of it. So for $200 a month, you can have this alarm set up on your job site, on your service van, protecting your tools, protecting your equipment, especially if you're doing business that's has a longer install time. Like if you're doing HVAC, sometimes you have to leave equipment on the job site that's kind of unprotected or something like that. This would take care of absolutely everything, because you can pair it with the entire kit of the Ring Protect, which includes motion sensor. It includes a camera, a battery camera. It includes floodlight. So there are quite a few features that you can upgrade this. And if you want it more stationary, if you want to put this on a specific area where you don't need to change the batteries every so often, they also sell a solar panel that you can connect to this. And this can work off solar power completely. it is a huge technological improvement compared to other things that you find on the market right now that are PPOE, that are charged through a cable that can be easily cut. This is a standalone thing. You don't really need anything else. You can just hide this in a tree or under a soffit or put it somewhere and it will work. It will protect your equipment, it will protect your job site, it will keep you informed about any incidents, and with the app you have the possibility of doing everything with it. Like you can set it up for a specific for a recording or being activated at a specific time. The customization options are phenomenal. This works also with two batteries. They sell the batteries standalone, so it definitely works better if you have a second pair. The one pair would work for, I would say, a month if you don't have too much occurrences. If you have less foot traffic, this would definitely work for a month. More traffic, it's at maximum this would hold on for 2 weeks. You can put a second battery here, it would hold a longer period of time. The batteries are not expensive at all. Very reasonable price for rechargeable batteries, and they're very good. You can recharge them separately, just using a mini USB or micro USB cable. Yeah, I'm sorry, that's micro USB cable right there. Yep, so this works with that. And once you're done, you can simply install that anywhere. It does work flawlessly. The alarm is 110 decibels, which is substantial, I would say. Normally most of the alarms are around 85, 95 decibels. This is 110. It offers also two-way audio with noise cancellation. If you want to say, hey, hi, please leave my tools alone, you can do that with this. The overall weight with the single battery is 2 pounds, less than 2 pounds, and you can customize the zones. The camera is 180p. The night view is good around 30 feet. Very good night view. The infrared sensors are right here, built in as well here, and you can see a lot more, but within 30 feet I would say it is what you expect from any regular night view camera. The dimensions are almost 5 inches, 496 by 272 by 299, or 12.6 centimeters, 6.91 centimeters by 759 centimeters. You have a reset button. You have quite a lot of functionalities on this camera. It is not specifically tamper-proof to say. Right, it can be opened from here. Anyone can pull out the battery. But surely, if you are mindful where you install that, this would serve as a very good deterrent to anyone kind of messing with your tools, with your job site. In my opinion, this is a must-have if you are doing business and you're leaving tools overnight. If you're leaving them in service van or on a job site, this is a must-have. Now, $200 for the subscription and $200 for this device, they're totally worth it. And on some occasions, I was able for my Ring job site kit, I was able to reduce my insurance premiums, and that compensated the price in just a year and a half. So it is definitely a very good, well protected from the elements tool. Like No possibility of water ingress. There is a rubber bridge here that protects from humidity, from water ingress. You can leave this. Let me just zoom in a little bit. You can leave this in the rain. It's definitely meant to be exposed to the elements. You can leave this in the rain. There is no problems with having it there. Very good design overall. I certainly like the possibility to use two batteries because it's kind of set up and forget. So it comes also with a charging cable, micro USB charging cable. Any other charging cable would work. Just so you know, it's a very standard charging cable, nothing specific about it, no crossovers or anything. What else? Mounting hardware. Yep. And the user guide. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.